Alright, got a couple new pickups in today. Supreme, another deck came in, StockX, and a Nike. Let's take a look at the StockX. I picked up a tee. It is picked up the cactus plant flea market. Got the StockX sticker. My hands are dirty, so I'm not really going to take it out. Got the Stussy, size medium, and it has the cactus plant flea market, the puff print with the heart, Stussy, cactus. Got it in the medium. Picked up the tee right over here. Then another pickup from Nike. Grabbed this for $10. Retail on the tee is $50. Got this for $10. This is the Jordan DNA tee, I think. This has Jordan on there, embroidered Jordan logo, and has MJ Duncan. This is a white medium. It was $10 as well. Now let's take a look at the Supreme package. This is another Bling deck. So I ordered the gold one, and I wanted the multicolor. So I decided to pick it up. So you can order multiples. They let me, so I was like, might as well. So let's take a look at the deck. Check it out. There it is. This one's silver with the multicolor Supreme logo. There's some goodies in here. You got the sticker. But yeah. So I got the Knowledge is Supreme. Got the deer. And you got the free crushed Supreme Smarties. Already crushed. Candy. Yeah. Free gift of the season. Newest pickup. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. I'm ready for the Burberry collab with Supreme this week. I'm definitely gonna, hopefully I can cop some goodies. I need the deck, need the hat, need the boxical tee, and the hoodie. So hopefully I hit. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.